Welcome into SK World. Today in this tutorial we will see how to click on checkboxes. In previous tutorial we see how to handle the drop down. Here you can view multiple checkboxes are available and we can select the multiple checkboxes, but in drop down we can select only one value at a time. So let's begin. First, we will go to this URL driver.get. Here we enter the URL. Now we need to click on this checkboxes. Click on checkbox and you need to click on inspect. Here you can view name available, but we cannot locate by name because all checkboxes name are same. We need unique locators to locate this element. So we need to right click on this, copy and expand. We can click on this checkboxes by expand. We cannot click on these checkboxes by name locator because all checkboxes name are same. So we will click on this checkboxes by expand. Driver dot find web element checkbox is equal driver dot find element by dot expand. Here we enter expand. Checkbox dot click. Let's run this script. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL and it will click on first checkbox. It will navigate to this URL and it will click on first checkbox, which is Selenium. We can also click on this checkbox. We need to right click and select inspect, and now we need to copy expand. Driver dot find element by dot expand dot click. In this scenario, it will select the first and second checkboxes. Chrome driver is opening. It will navigate to this URL and click on Selenium checkbox and UTP checkbox. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.